Staples to supermarket shelves across the region, Wisynco has quietly built a dominant presence in everyday consumer life. And as the company marks 6 decades of operations, it's reflecting on a journey defined by strategic pivots, major investments, and a willingness to evolve with the market.
60 years in business doesn't happen by chance. For Wisynco Group, it has been the result of constant reinvention and bold decisions.
It really originated with My Foods Commercial Limited, which was a haberdashery on Harbour Street. There's a picture actually up there of that location. My grandfather and his 4 sons were in business. He passed away in 1962. And the 4 sons took over My Foods Commercial Limited in the 1960s. They started a company called Western Synthetics in 1965. So that's what is the 60-year, which is what Wisynco was born out of.
By the late 1980s and early 1990s, Jamaica's economy was opening up and consumer tastes were changing. Wisynco responded by shifting away from plastics and into consumer goods. First, distribution, then full-scale manufacturing.
In 1995, we started the process of building what was then a Jamaica Drink Company, which became a part of the Wisynco Group with the advent of bigger soft drinks. We then went on to do water in 2002, Boom in 2012, Cran Water, etc., etc. And we've evolved even more into investments in agro-processing.
Today, the group manages nearly 3,000 products across juices, water and snacks. But growth hasn't come without setbacks.
We have had many challenges. It has been, it's not always been a smooth sailing. We had, for example, if you go back in time, we've had basically 3 fires. The most catastrophic was in 2016 when the warehouse and distribution center burnt down. That was a huge hurdle for us to overcome.
The company now employs more than 2,600 staff members and is recording compound annual growth of more than 10%. That success, CEO Andrew Mafood says, comes down to meeting evolving consumer demand. With non-alcoholic beverages already dominating local shelves, the company has invested $85 million in a state-of-the-art brewery, targeting what it believes is one of Jamaica's most underdeveloped categories, beer and other brewed beverages.
So we have the 4, 5, 6 beers, the stout, that's 7, the malt 8, 4 Worthy Park RTDs now, that's 12, and the Stones 13, but there's going to be more to come as well.
Leading the charge is Devon Reynolds, who has overseen the company's production operations for more than 40 years. The facility, named in his honor, is now set for expansion, boosting manufacturing capacity.
So what will this mean for Jamaica and, of course, even the international market?
Okay, more employment and more exports. For example, this is this facility can do a lot of things, right? We can do actual carbonated beverage, we do now in cans. We can do our energy drink in cans. We can do the beer in cans, right? And when you produce in cans, for example, a lot of products have a longer shelf life. You get more in a container, right? So we believe that we're now in a situation where we can expand our exports rapidly.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.